So to sketch a truncus, we go through the same steps as with a parabola. So over here we've got y equals ax minus h all squared plus k. Our vertical asymptote happens here at h, and our horizontal asymptote at k. So over here we don't have a value for k in either of these, so our horizontal asymptote is at 0. So I'll put that in. So we're going to say y equals 0, and then same deal across here, y equals 0. So from there, also we have a look at this, we've got a vertical asymptote there at 2. So I'm going to put one here at x equals 2, and I'll do the same over here because the functions are almost the same. Now from there, then we put in our basic sketch of a truncus, or a shape of a truncus. So remember, it'll always approach the asymptotes, but never reach them. Now we're going to do the same thing here, and here. Now, we have a bit of a problem. If we have a look at them, these are clearly different functions. We've got a 1 here, and we've got a 3 here. They have almost the identical shape. In fact, if I knew how to do it using this program, I'd have copied this graph and just pasted it over here. So this is why it's really important that we label another key point. Because your sketch is one thing, you can draw a sketch and it'll look like what it's supposed to look like, but you've got to identify a point, and the point that we're going to identify is the y-intercept. So to do that, we let x equals 0. So if we take this here and we let x equals 0, we end up with 1 over negative 2 squared, and that ends up being 1 over 4. So this crosses here at 1 over 4. If we do the same thing with the other graph, we end up with 3 over negative 2 squared, which ends up being 3 over 4. So this is our point here of 3 over 4. So while they look the same, and like I said, we could have drawn them identically, you've got to put a point in just to show that they are different graphs, that they do look different. And if you can't see it, you've got to highlight it, you've got to point out that fact. And like I said, we've done it with a y-intercept. You could have chosen any point and it would have given you the same result. But make sure if you're ever asked to compare, you choose the same x value. Just like here, we chose x equals 0 and x equals 0. And that shows a good comparison between the two different graphs.